Hey everybody. Oh, Molly, did you get distracted? I thought we were murdering the monkey. I thought you would like to see her in action with her infamous squeaky toy. And this is it. It was a snuggle monkey. When she was born, she used to be a whole lot bigger than her. She would trip over it but carry it everywhere. And now it's her best friend. You can't take these toys away from the kids, right? Molly, you're such a good girl. Hey, you got pretty ears. Ooh, we got an orb out of that. That was cool. All right. What's that? Say hi, Maddie. Okay, well, we're getting ready to go night-night. So we have to play first. So we're going to squeak out here. Right, Molly? Where's your squeaky? Go get her. Only 106 here today. No big deal. So we're keeping cool at night, right? So this is what you're hearing, y'all. And this is the culprit right here. My Lord, you weren't named Molly for nothing. Stubborn you are. All right, well, out here looking up at these big, beautiful skies. I thought I'd share. No clouds, they all went away. Debbie from Texas saying, peace out. Maranatha. Keep looking up, y'all. The King surely is coming.